the 2.2 exercise. Okay, question number 7. It is activity based question. See, this is activity. Activity question asked to you for 3 marks. So there are selected activity questions. This is one of them. Okay, so simple, we solve this, fill in the blank using factorization method. It is given like a factorization, right? Nothing else. So root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2, this is our main equation. Here it is, right? So as it is, first term multiply by last term. So root 2x square, root 2 into 5 root 2. See, root 2 multiply by 5 root 2. So this root 2 will become 2 and 2 5 is 10, right? This is the value of first term, multiplication of first term and last term is 10, right? Okay, this first term will become 10. Now middle term is 7, so simply we'll take only one number, 5 into 2. 5 into 2, 5 into 10, and 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So your factor is absolutely 5 into 2. So 5x into 2x. So we'll take the common between first two terms and the common between last two terms. Repeat, common between the first two terms and common between the last two terms. So common between first two terms, if you are check, here it is x square, here it is x. So you can take minimum x as the common, right? And then it remains root 2x plus 5. Okay. And the last two terms, you can take root 2 as a common. So here it's showing, here it's root 2. See, what is expression in this block? 2x को नहीं, मैं सिर्फ 2 को लिखता हूँ. So 2 is written as root 4. Root 4 is written as root 2 into root 2. Right? So if 2 is there, so we can put off your mic please right now. 2x. So x is variable. First of all, we are checking this 2. So root 2 into root 2 is the value of 2. So root 2 as a common, you can write here root 2x, and this 5 root 2 is here, so root 2 is remains, this 5 is common. So this root 2x plus 5 and this root 2x plus 5 is same. You can take as a common. So this is x plus root 2 5, this is x plus root 2. Now root 2x plus 5, this and this equals to 0 0. So this x equals to minus 5 by root 2 and this x equals to minus root 2. This is your first answer. This is your second answer. Here two things we are going to express. First of all, I write here 3. Okay, this is for your convenience. So 3 you can write as root 9, no doubt, and root 9 is also written as root 3 into root 3, right? Root 3 into root 3. Similarly, if 2 is there, so you can write root 4. Value of 2 is root 4 and it is root 2 into root 2, right? So similarly, if you write 4, you can write root 16 and the value of root 16 is root 4 into. That means if you multiply the same number in the root form, we'll find the exact number. This 2 number root 3, if twice, if it's multiplied by same, we got the root 3. Similarly, there are so many numbers. So here we apply the same properties. X common root 2x plus 5. ये 2 के लिए मैंने आपको इतना सारा एक्सप्रेस किया हूँ for this 2. This 2 is written as root 2 into root 2, right? So this root 2 is common. We can take root 2x plus 5, right? Root 2x plus 5. So root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus root 5. Minus 5. Plus will become minus and then root 2 will division here. Now x plus root 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus root 2. Your answer is this 5 by minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. This much answer is there. Okay. So I give you some time. If you some doubt, so please ask me. In this question, if you some doubt, so you can ask
again.
Okay. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is your main equation. This is your main equation. So first term multiply by last term. So this 2 multiply here, 5 root 2 into root 2, we are getting here 10. 5 2 is a 10. Now middle term is 7, so you can take 5 2 is a 10. 5 and 2 is 7, 5 2 is a 10. This term is both terms should be satisfied. Okay, then take the common between the first two term and the last two term. The first two term common, it's directly seen here, it should be x. So you can take x as a common, x common root 2x plus 5, and the last two term root 2 is common, so again we'll take root 2x plus 5. So root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 equals to 0. So root 2x plus 5 equals to 0 because this term is also 0, this term is also 0. So this term is 0 and x plus root 2 is also 0. So x equals to minus 5 by root 2 and x equals to minus root 2. So this is your answer. Okay. First term minus 5 by root 2, second term is minus root 2 is your answer. Okay. Clear everyone? Check it. I'm asking to all of you, Sidra, Saima, Salman, and all of you, all boys and girls. If you some doubt, you ask me.
Yes, sir.
Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now come to the next question. This question is also very important. See, that star mark question is there. Star mark. Right? Okay. So, check it. This is your question. This is your main equation. Here we have some points to discuss. The first term is coefficient. I am telling the first term means it's the coefficient. The first coefficient is 3 and the last coefficient is 2. So 3 2 just 6. You can take 6 is the multiplication. So middle term is 2 root 6, right? Middle term is 2 root 6. So if you are taking root 6 and root 6, this root 6 multiply, it should be root 36. It should be root 36 and the value of root 36 is 6. So it's clear. But the middle term is minus 2 root 6. Minus. Take this sign. So we are taking minus root 6 minus root 6. Clear? Here it is minus root 6 minus root 6. So take the common between the first two term and the last two term. First two term, the root 3x is common here. So we can take, अभी मैंने एक्सप्रेस किया था आपको, 3 के लिए आप 2 बार √3 लिख सकते हो. So 1 √3 is here, so remains √3 is here, minus 3 2 is 6. And these two terms we can take √2 as a common, √2 as a common, 3 2 is 6, and now √2 is √4, √4 value is 2. So you can take √3x minus 2, and √3x minus 2 equals to 0. So √3x minus √2 equals to 0, or √3x minus √2 equals to 0. You'll find the same answer. So first this term x equals to √2 by √3, and there x also √2 by √3. Clear? I repeat this question. See, 3x square minus 2 root x plus 2. So आपने क्या किया, first term multiply by this last term, so we are getting 2. So split this 2 root 6 as into the two equal parts, where the product of these two parts is 6, and addition of these two parts is 2 root 6. We are taking √6, √6. Okay. So take √3x square. So √3x as a common, √3x minus √2. And these two terms, we can take √2 as a common, this √2 as a common. So 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So same √3x minus terms, here it is common, and the last term √3x minus √2 equals to 0. So √3x minus √2 equals to 0, and √3x minus, because it's twice. So x equals to √2 by √3. This x is also √3 by √2. So your answer is, now let me tell if you some doubt. Tell me if you some doubt.
No, sir.
Clear na?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now question number 9, I give you homework. This question is homework. Okay. We are coming to the next question. Question number 12. This is your question. Here, if we are comparing, so A equals to 1, B equals to, I don't know B equals to what, C equals to minus 11. Okay. So it should be clear. Coefficient of first term is 1. Coefficient of B, I am telling I don't know what is the value. You will tell me the answer. Okay. And C equals to minus 11. So we have discussed from the last two. So what is the value of B?
0.
0.
0.
0.
0 0. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. The answer of B equals to 0. Clear na? But we are not going to use here formula method, but your concept should be clear. See, so simply you can apply the factorization method, right? So m square minus 11 equals to 0. I give you another method. See, which method should be applicable, we can discuss. Okay. See, m square equals to 11. If you a pen and a notebook, so better you please write down. This question we are going to solve it by the different alternate method, and we are comparing this method is suitable. I am telling to all of you, अगर आपके पास पेन और नोटबुक है तो इसको आप लोग नोट डाउन कर लो. This method which I am writing on this screen. M square equals to 11. You all are writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. M square equals to 11. So simply M equals to plus minus root over 11, because this square will be converted into the root. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, na? Okay. So this 11 is 2 times. One is plus, another is minus. So your M is plus root 11 or M equals to minus root 11. So your answer is plus root 11 minus root 11. This is my own method. We are comparing this method also, and you will decide which method will be better for you, and you will solve it by any alternate method. So first note down this: M equals to plus root 11 or M equals to minus root 11. So your answer is plus root 11 and minus root. This is your solution set. SS, solution set. Written? You all have written? Written, all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Written, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm discussing this question also in this method. So M square minus 11 equals to 0. So M square minus root 11 equals to 0. Because 11 के लिए आप लिख सकते हो 11 equals to root 121. So you can write root 11 square is 121 and 121. So this value in simple way equals to, you can write root 11 whole square. Okay. So this is the properties of surd. If this root cancels, we are getting the same number. So simple, you can apply root 11 whole square. This whole value are same. 11 is equal to root 11 whole square. If I writing 5 equals to root 5 whole square, it's okay, because the value of root 5 equals to root 25 and root 25 equals to 5. So m square minus root 11 square equals to 0. Now this will become a and this will become b. So formula is a square minus b square. Take it. This is a, this is b, this is b. So formula is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Suppose this is a, this is b. So you can write a plus b or a minus b. So a plus b equals to 0 and a minus b equals to 0. So this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. Okay. So again your answer is same. This will be minus and this will be plus. Okay. So this is the different method, and that was we have solved. That was the another method. If you are in comparing this both method, with that which method is suitable for you, you can solve it. No problem. If some first method was okay, it's okay. If second one is okay, then okay. No problem. Okay. So I'm asking you, if you some doubts in this method, so please ask me. Sidra, Saima, Salman, Aisha.
No, sir.
This method is okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. All of you are getting
Yes, sir. Clear.
clear, na?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now this question is very important, my dear. This question is important.
मम्मा मुझे समझाइए, शुरुआत से समझाई दो ना।
Okay, this question is important. 7m square equals to 21m. Okay, so what is the value of a here? 7m square minus 21m equals to 0. So I am asking to all of you, what is the value of a? a की वैल्यू क्या है?
Seven.
7. Very good. A equals to 7. B equals to
21.
क्या? -21. -21.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Minus ना?
Yes, sir. -21
and C equals to
is equal to 0. C0.
very good. Okay, very good. So 7m square minus 21m equals to 0. So simple way में this step in this line there is no step other than take a common. ठीक है? There is no formula. Only one chance we can take common something. So 7m is common. 7m is common. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So there are two parts. First part is 7m, another part is m minus 3. So 7m equals to 0 or m minus 3 equals to 0. So m equals to 0 upon 7 and this m equals to 3. Your answer is 0, 3. This is very simple question. If you some doubt, so please ask.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है? Now you are getting my sound? Now one more question is there. Two x plus 3 equals to 25. So 2x plus 3 whole square equals to 25. 2x plus 3 whole square, you can write 25 square. 25 means 5 square. So this is formula is A, this is B. So this is A plus B, A minus B. Formula is here. So I'll share the next page. That was 2s 5 plus 3 is 8. Check it. 5 plus 3 here is 8 and 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So 2x plus 8, I zoom this paper. Two x plus 8 into 2x minus 2 equals to 0. The first 2x plus 8 equals to 0. This space 2x plus 8 equals to 0. 2x minus 2 equals to 0. So 2x equals to minus 8 or 2x equals to 2. So x equals to minus 8 upon 2 and x equals to 2 upon 3. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Your answer is -4, 1. Your answer is -4, 1. Clear na? X square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 equals to 0. This is question from problem set. Okay. Yes, we'll solve it. So see, first I am telling you, this is the complete quadratic equation, no doubt. A equals to 1, B equals to minus 3 upon 10, and C equals to minus 1 upon 10. That is clear. But if some denominator are there, we are trying to remove it. Right now, so what to do? See, take 10 as the LCM. Multiply both sides by 10, so we'll get cross multiplied 10 into x, 10x square, then 3x, then it is 1 equals to 0. So this is your complete equation, my dear. 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. If you multiply by 10 on both the sides. Why multiply by 10? 10 से क्यों multiply किया? Because as a denominator 10 is here. तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ. If 5 was there, so 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे. जो नंबर है उस नंबर से आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया. Now 10 1 जा 10, factorization method. 10 1 जा 10, but minus sign there, so we'll put the minus 10. And middle term is minus 3. So we can take minus 5 2 जा 2 5 are 10 and 2 minus 5 equals to 3. So 10x square minus 5x. Now it is plus 2x minus 1. So 5x common. This two terms 5x is common. So 5 2 are 10, 5 1 are 5. Then 1 common, 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 is common here. It should be 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Or 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x equals to 1 upon 2 or x equals to minus 1 upon 5. So your answer is 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 5. I repeat this question. X square minus 3x minus 10 0. So see, you can multiply by 10 on both the sides. So if multiply by 10 on both the sides, we are getting 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Right? ये कैसे हुआ इसका कैलकुलेशन मैं आपको देता हूँ. You can take 10 as the LCM. So this is 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this 10 multiplied by 0, cross multiply, so we will get 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Here equation is the same. Same equation यहाँ पे मिला. बाकी का मेथड सेम है. फर्स्ट टर्म मल्टीप्लाई बाय लास्ट टर्म. So 10 1 जा 10, it should be minus 10. So 3x is common. Middle term 3x, we can take 5 2 जा. So minus 5 and 2. 10x square minus 5 square and 2x minus 1. This first two term we can take 5x as a common, and the last two term we can take nothing is common, so we can take 1 as a common. 2x minus 1 is there. So 2x minus 1 into 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 equals to 0 or 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x equals to 1 upon 2 and x equals to minus 1 upon 5. So your answer is this 1 upon 2, 1 upon 5. Okay. In this question, if you have some doubts, so please ask me. I am asking to all of you. check it once and ask me if you some doubt.
No.
It's okay. Fine. This is the exercise 2.3. Completing the solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. Completing the square method. Right? So we have discussed the factorization method, also formula method, where we have discussed the discriminant, nature of the root, base square minus 4ac. Okay. Now this is the new method, completing the square method. Right now, see, one more thing I want to share with you. In the quadratic equation, okay, the first term and last term. In quadratic equation, there are three terms. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So quadratic equation, in any quadratic equation, okay, first term and last term is always the square of any number. First term and last term for this particular method, completing the square method. बाकी मेथड में कुछ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इस मेथड में फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म हमेशा स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. नाउ वी कैन make their square, whole square, right? So check it. X square plus x minus 20 equals to 0. First, we have to arrange this equation as the standard form. अगर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अगर नहीं है तो आप उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में करोगे. ओके. नाउ हियर only one thing we have to discuss. The coefficient of first term in this particular method. Which method? Completing the square method, the coefficient of first term should be always 1. Yes, coefficient of first term is always 1. Right. अगर मैं बोलता हूं मेरे पास इक्वेशन ऐसा है, से 5x² और मुझे x² को 1 करना है, तो डिवाइडेड बाई 5. सिंपल. 7p² मुझे 1 करना है, डिवाइडेड बाई 7. 4m², it should be 1, so divided by 4. This cancel, this 4 cancel, 5 cancel. So if any number is there with first term, so